And the race is on. The favorite, 1, Bahamas, fast to begin, followed by Security Check. Be My Queen, racing in third by about 3 lengths. Then here comes Daman Surya as they race the last 600. 1, Bahamas by half a length, followed by Security Check. Be My Queen is watching in third by about 3 lengths, and a long way back to the Mansuria, Shining Gold, and Lucky Lorky, and Sauvignon as they race the final corner. It's still 1, Bahamas by half a length. Security Check. Be My Queen is on the farther outside, but still 1, Bahamas. Be My Queen on the outside. Security Check. Shining Gold by the rail, and nearing the finish line. It's now Be My Queen by about 2 lengths, and finally Be My Queen, 1, Bahamas, Shining Gold, Security Check, Lucky Lorky, and for your Super 6, number 10, Daman Surya.